आदत कुछ ऐसी हुई अंधेरे की मुझे, उजाला मेरा दुश्मन हो गया। मंजिलें इशारा तो करती रही, मगर मैं अपनी तंग गलियों में ही सोता रहा। Why can't our positive thoughts and positive attitude are not able to outsmart our negative ones? This is Alok Joshi, the student of public speaking and human behavior. And this very question is asked by renowned author Shiv Khera in his book You Can Win. At the end of the first chapter, he says, why does it happen that people, they are aware about their negative thoughts, negative attitudes, but still they are not able to change them? Because the first and foremost challenge that we should be aware about our negative thoughts and negative attitudes. And once it is done, even though we know that they are harmful for our life, for our success, for our growth, but we are not able to change them. The one reason he says that we are so much comfortable with our negative attitudes also. Although nobody likes to be negative, nobody likes to love that negative attitude, but still we are so much comfortable with our negative attitude or negative thoughts that we are not able to change them, or we are not able to change ourselves from negative to the positive ones. There was a time when a prisoner who was sent to a jail, and that was a dungeon, a dark cell underground, and he served that prison for several years. After being released, for the first time when he came out of the prison, he could not bear that light, because for so many years he did not see the light. And then he became so uncomfortable with the light, he asked the jailer to put him back to that dungeon. See, opportunities, they do come, but just because of our negative beliefs, negative thoughts, negative attitude, we are going back towards our negativity only. We are not able to grab that positivity and being forward towards the growth. This happens with the modern day prisoners also. We are so much comfortable with our negative thought processes that we are not able to grow in our life. And what this negative attitude gives us, it makes our life restricted. It makes us to be so much restricted that we have fewer friends, we have few good relationships in our life, or even though we are not able to make very good relationships with our family or with our friends also, the path of success is also very much restricted just because of this negative attitude. So my dear friends, are we able, or are we ready to break those shackles of negative attitude or negative thought process and free ourselves from them, so that we can choose the better life, we can choose the better growth, we can choose the life of our desires, where we actually want to be, but just because of loving our negative attitude, we are not able to make ourselves free. There are many fighters in our life, despite of so many disabilities, they are winning in their lives. They are achieving many successful events in their lives. There were many people who gone through so many tough times in their life due to poverty, due to many other circumstances, but they thought towards the positivity. They were thinking more of the brighter side of the life, and that's why it motivated them, and now they have established themselves and they became the example for the world. But even after seeing those examples, people are not changing themselves. Some people are not changing themselves, and still they are living in that mire of negativity and not able to come out of that. So are we ready to come out of that mire and keep that positive side in front of us and become successful in our life? Break our comfort zone, break out of that comfort zone and make ourselves little bit discomfortable right now and grow towards success. Is it possible? Otherwise, मैं उन तंग गलियों में ही सोता रहूँगा, चाहे कितना भी उजाला आए, चाहे मंजिल कितना भी इशारा करती रहे, क्योंकि आदत मुझे उन तंग गलियों की ही हो चुकी है. This is Alok Joshi, watching you smiling over there. We'll meet again with the same smile. Thank you very much.